In the journey of life, boys often start walking later than girls. It's not a question of laziness or lack of motivation, it's a simple fact of biology. Boys usually start walking around 13 to 15 months old, while girls generally start a month earlier. This disparity is due to the different rates at which boys and girls develop. Now, have you ever watched a boy eat and wondered where all the food goes? Well, boys have a higher metabolic rate than girls. This means they burn calories faster, thus needing more fuel to keep their engines running. So the next time you see a boy devouring a large pizza, don't be surprised. It's just biology at work. In terms of physical development, boys grow taller than girls on average by about 5 inches. This is due to the longer growth period for boys compared to girls. Boys continue to grow until about age 20, while girls usually stop growing around age 16. And what about the common stereotype that boys are more rambunctious and energetic than girls? There's some truth to that. Boys are generally more physically active than girls, especially during childhood and adolescence. This increased energy level is due to higher levels of testosterone, which boosts physical activity and competitiveness. But it's not all about physicality. Did you know boys generally develop their right brain hemisphere faster than their left? This means they often excel in visual spatial tasks. This is why many boys tend to be good at tasks that require hand-eye coordination, like video games or sports. Boys also have a unique linguistic pattern. They typically learn to speak later than girls and often use fewer words and gestures to communicate. This doesn't mean boys are less communicative, they simply have a different communication style. Let's not forget about color perception. Boys and girls perceive colors differently. Boys tend to prefer cooler, darker colors like blue or green, while girls often prefer warmer, brighter colors like pink or yellow. This difference is not just societal conditioning, it's a fascinating aspect of our visual biology. In the world of emotions, boys are often misjudged as being less emotional than girls. However, research shows that boys experience emotions just as deeply, but they express them differently due to societal expectations and norms. To wrap things up, boys are a fascinating study in contrasts. They walk later but grow taller, they eat more but burn it off faster, they might speak less but excel in visual spatial tasks. They perceive colors differently and express emotions uniquely. The world of boys is truly a fascinating one. It's a reminder that while we may all be human, our experiences and development can vary greatly, and that's what makes each of us unique and intriguing in our own right. It's a world worth exploring and understanding better. So, the next time you encounter a boy, remember these facts and appreciate the diversity and complexity of human life.